Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're gonna play Consuming Fire in the key of B flat. Let's hear it. Alright guys, so let's get straight into it. We're in the key of B flat. So the first thing is, so we did this. So the left hand has this from the C to the D. And when you hit the D, you'd play this chord right here. So pretty much you're playing a B flat major with the 2 down, with the D down here, so you're playing a drop 2. And then the other one is, the right hand would have, or you could just play this. And the left hand plays these dissonant notes. Right? So on to the next part. Let's go back a bit. So we had this. So we're sliding from the E flat to the F. From the C sharp down to the C to the B flat. The left hand plays this, but if you cannot stretch it, you can play this. That works. Or you can play it rootless. Let's see what's next. So we'll do this again. Or then we go here. Or you could play this. Right? Next. We have this move right here, which is basically this. So again. Right? So it's pretty much this. Let's break it down. So this is how you play that. You can watch my fingers. Right, so let's go back to it. So in my left hand I play this. But you can play or you can play that. Right, so let's see what's next. So that move is pretty much this. And that's still over the 4. Right? So let's see what's next. I think I played this in the left hand. So we play this slower. So you guys, you would just have to practice these moves. Right? So let's see what we played next. So pretty simple. So guys, just play it over and over until your fingers get accustomed to playing it. So let's see what's next. We did that already. So this move now. So this is the flat 7. Again. So let's go back a bit. So again. I think that's it. Right. So let's move on. Right, so let's go to the other part. So guys, you notice I'm playing those slurs with 2 fingers. Second, third slides down to the other one, and we end on a second. right? So pretty much the key is these two fingers right here. Let's go again. Right? So guys, just practice that.